In this exciting video, where we'll be diving into the world of young and successful millionaires, we'll be discussing the top 5 individuals who have achieved tremendous success and financial freedom before the age of 30. So if you're looking for some inspiration or just curious about how these individuals achieve their goals, then sit back, relax, and let's get started. Number 5. Kyliejenner is a name that needs no introduction. From being a reality TV star to becoming a self-made billionaire, Kylie has managed to carve a unique path for herself in the world of business and entrepreneurship. Her story is nothing short of extraordinary. At the age of just 22, she became the youngest self-made billionaire, surpassing the likes of Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates. With her cosmetics empire, Kylie Cosmetics, she has disrupted the beauty industry and has become a role model for young women everywhere. But Kylie's success is not just limited to her business ventures. She also has used her platform to give back to society and has become an advocate for mental health awareness. Number 4. Biaheza is a young entrepreneur and content creator who has made a name for himself in the world of e-commerce and online business. Biaheza, also known as Sebastian, had a childhood that was far from conventional. Growing up, he was always a curious and creative kid, constantly tinkering with things and looking for new ways to innovate. He was fascinated by the world of entrepreneurship, and even at a young age, he knew that he wanted to be his own boss someday. Despite facing several challenges along the way, such as financial struggles and the lack of resources, Biaheza never gave up on his dreams. Instead, he used his passion and drive to fuel his success, and today, he's a successful entrepreneur, investor, and YouTube personality, inspiring millions with his story and achievements. Biaheza's journey to becoming rich is one that's filled with hard work, persistence, and a relentless pursuit of his goals. It all started when he was just a teenager, where he discovered the power of e-commerce and online business. He began by selling promotions on Instagram for other dropshipping stores and eventually moved on to creating his own online store. Biaheza's entrepreneurial spirit was unstoppable, and he continued to innovate and experiment with different business models. One of the key factors that contributed to his success was his ability to leverage social media platforms to promote his business. He utilized Instagram and YouTube to showcase his products, share his knowledge, and connect with his audience, which in turn helped him to generate more sales and build a loyal following. Biaheza's success continued to grow, and he soon expanded into other areas, such as dropshipping and investing. He studied the market trends and utilized his analytical skills to identify profitable opportunities. This led him to make calculated investments in the stock market, which proved to be extremely successful, adding to his already impressive net worth. But it wasn't all smooth sailing for Biaheza. He faced numerous challenges along the way, including financial struggles and the lack of resources. However, he didn't let these obstacles hold him back. Instead, he used them as motivation to work even harder and push himself even further. Today, Biaheza is a multi-millionaire, and his success has allowed him to live a life of financial freedom and independence. He continues to inspire millions of people around the world with his history and achievements, proving that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, anything is possible. Number 3. Jakepaul's childhood was anything but ordinary. Born in Cleveland, Ohio, Jake was the youngest of 4 siblings and grew up in a family that encouraged creativity and self-expression. From a young age, he was passionate about making people laugh and entertain, and would often perform skits and pranks for his family and friends. However, Jake also faced some challenges in his childhood, such as struggling with ADHD and dyslexia, which made traditional schooling difficult for him. Despite this, he never let his learning disabilities hold him back, and instead channeled his energy and creativity into pursuing his dreams. It was this determination and resilience that laid the foundation for Jake's incredible success as a social media influencer, entrepreneur, and all-around entertainer. Jake Paul's path to becoming a millionaire was anything but conventional. From a young age, he had a deep passion for entertaining and making people laugh, as we said, which he channeled into creating content on various social media platforms. Jake's breakthrough came when he started creating videos on Vine, where he quickly gained a massive following due to his unique humor and relatable content. After Vine shut down, Jake transitioned to YouTube, where he continued to grow his following by creating daily vlogs that showcased his crazy antics and larger-than-life personality. He quickly became one of the most popular creators on the platform, with millions of subscribers and billions of views on his videos. But Jake's success didn't stop at YouTube. He used this platform to launch a successful merchandise brand, Team 10, which sells clothing and accessories that promote his brand and message. The brand quickly became a hit among Jake's loyal fanbase, and he capitalized on its success by branching out into other business ventures, such as music and boxing. In 2018, Jake signed a multi-fight deal with the boxing promotion company Matchroom Boxing USA, which allowed him to turn his love for the sport into a lucrative career. He fought against fellow YouTuber Anson Gibb in his first professional fight, which he won via TKO in the first round. Jake's next fight against former NBA player Nate Robinson was even more high profile, as it was featured on the undercard of the Mike Tyson vs Roy Jones Jr. exhibition match. Jake won that fight by KO in the second round, cementing his status as a legitimate boxer and increasing his already considerable wealth. Overall, Jake Paul's success as a millionaire can be attributed to his willingness to take risks, his entrepreneurial spirit, and his dedication to entertaining and engaging his audience. He has leveraged his massive following and unique personality to build a diverse portfolio of businesses and opportunities, which have allowed him to achieve financial freedom at a young age. Love him or hate him, there's no denying that Jake Paul is a force to be reckoned with in the world of entertainment and entrepreneurship. Number 2. Imangadzhi is an example for meteoric rise to success. From humble beginnings in a council flat in London, Iman has built a multi-million-dollar empire and established himself as a leading figure in the world of digital marketing. Iman's early years and the drive to succeed. Imangadzhi was born in 2000 and spent his early years in a single-parent household in London. Despite the challenges he faced growing up, Iman's drive to succeed was apparent from a young age. He had a natural entrepreneurial spirit and was constantly coming up with new ideas for businesses. As a teenager, he started a number of small ventures, including selling sweets in school and reselling shoes online, which gave him his first taste of success. However, it wasn't until he discovered digital marketing that his career really took off. The birth of Grow Your Agency started in 2016 at the age of just 16. Iman started his first digital marketing agency, called Grow Your Agency or GYA. This marked a turning point in his career and set him on a path to success that he could have only dreamed of. GYA quickly gained traction, and Iman started working with a number of high-profile clients, helping them to grow their online presence and generate more revenue. The success of GYA allowed Iman to expand his team and scale his business even further. His other income is the mentorship program. As his agency continued to grow, Iman began to receive requests for mentorship from other aspiring entrepreneurs who were looking to replicate his success. This led him to launch his mentorship program, which has since become one of the most highly regarded digital marketing courses in the industry. The program offers a comprehensive training program for aspiring entrepreneurs and provides them with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed in the highly competitive world of digital marketing. After making his first million, he started his road to multi-millionaire status. Let's discuss about the future of Imangadzhi. Today, Iman continues to be a leading figure in the world of digital marketing, with his mentorship program and agency both going from strength to strength. However, he has also set his sights on other ventures, including launching his own glasses line and investing in a number of promising startups. With his entrepreneurial spirit and relentless drive to succeed, it's clear that Imangadzhi's success story is far from over. His story is a testament to the fact that with hard work, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of your goals, anything is possible. Number 1. mrbeast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, started out making videos of himself playing video games and doing stunts. But it wasn't until he started giving away large sums of money to strangers that his channel really took off. His videos, which feature everything from buying out an entire store to giving away $1 million to his subscribers, have amassed millions of views and brought in a ton of revenue. But mrbeast didn't get rich overnight. He worked tirelessly to build his brand, constantly innovating and coming up with new, exciting ideas to keep his audience engaged. And while his videos are certainly entertaining, mrbeast's success also comes down to his business savvy. He's built a media empire with multiple successful YouTube channels and a merchandise line. Thank you for watching. I'm sure you will find this recommended video interesting. Until next time, bye-bye!